Hi friends, let's start with chapter number 2 DPP, that is solution. Question number 1 on your screen. Hope you have your own DPP PDF. So question number 1 पढ़िएगा, उसके 4 options पढ़िए और clearly it says that according to this Lesch-Atlas principle, for an exothermic reaction, delta H is less than 0, that is increase in the temperature decreases of the solubility. So B Bombay is your right answer. Question number 2 on your screen. सबसे पहले गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए. A के लिए क्या दिया हुआ है P0 and मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ A that is 0.4. B के लिए उसका पार्शियल प्रेशर दिया हुआ है that is 120. मोल फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ है 0.6. is to be found 100 mm of Hg. It shows that the solution exhibit. So now Raoult's law apply कीजिए. P total is equal to P0A into XA plus P0B into XB. Put all this value. अगर वैल्यू 100 से ज्यादा आती है then the solution shows negative deviation and I think you get value 104 Hg of mm, which is more than 100. So the solution shows negative deviation. So B Bombay is your right answer. Question number 3 on your screen. Here in case your answer is C Calcutta, but there is a slight correction. Slope की वैल्यू आपको मिलेगी P0A divided by P0B. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है P0B minus P0A, which is a wrong one. उसको आप करेक्ट कर लीजिए. That is slope is equal to P0A divided by P0B and intercept is right, that is P0B minus P0A divided by P0B. Solution डिस्कस करते हैं. So PA is equal to P0A into XA is equal to total pressure multiplied by YA. PB is equal to P0B into XB is equal to total pressure multiplied by YB. Now simple mathematical steps. P0B into XB divided by P0A into XA is equal to YB by YA. Now आप सभी को पता है मोल फ्रैक्शन XA plus XB is equal to 1. So can I write instead of XB की जगह पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ 1 minus XA and YB is equal to 1 minus YA. So now all the equation in terms of A part में complete हो गया. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, LCM कीजिए, कॉमन को बाहर निकाल लीजिए and finally your answer is slope is equal to P0A divided by P0B and intercept is P0B minus P0A divided by P0B. Y is equal to mx plus c graph, which is a straight line graph. Fourth is a numerical one. Statement on your screen. Given data extract कीजिए. Freezing point at minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. How much ethylene glycol must be added to 5 kg of water? Kf की वैल्यू दी हुई है. 4 ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. डेल्टा TF वाली फॉर्मूला that is KF into WB into 1000 divided by M into WA. Put all this value and you get your answer. So delta TF is 0.3 degrees Celsius. Delta TF is equal to KF into WB into 1000 divided by M into WA. Put all this value, make a form of WB. Simplify कीजिए and your answer is 50 gram, means B Bombay is your right answer. Statement number 5 on your screen. Osmotic pressure pi is equal to CRT, PV is equal to nRT के फॉर्म में ले जाइए. N number of moles, given mass divided by molar mass, given mass divided by molar mass के बाद वॉल्यूम के टर्म्स में उसको ले जाइए. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए and your answer is B Bombay. M2 is equal to M2 divided by V into RT divided by pi. Sixth, हेनरीज लॉ के ऊपर न्यूमेरिकल दिया हुआ है. ऑक्सीजन के लिए हेनरीज लॉ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू इज गिवन. 298 केल्विन इज टेम्परेचर. गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए, हेनरी लॉ के फॉर्मूला के अंदर वैल्यूज रखिए और कैलकुलेट कीजिए. According to Henry's law, M is equal to KH into P. KH is given. P of O2 is 0.5. So put all this value, make a form of XO2, that is mole fraction of O2 is equal to 0.5 divided by KH. Simplify कीजिए and finally you get your answer is 2.24 milligram, that is D Delhi. Question number 7 on your screen. Options आपकी स्क्रीन के साथ है. सबसे पहले स्टेटमेंट पढ़िए, गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए एंड उसके बाद ऑप्शन पढ़िए आराम से एंड देन यू गेट योर आंसर. So NaCl is nothing but Na plus plus Cl minus. Initial concentration is 1. After some time alpha is the amount of species undergoes dissociation. So 1 minus alpha, alpha and alpha. So want of factor I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha divided by 1 is equal to 1 plus alpha. Now want of factor, normal mass is 58.5 divided by observed is 31.8. So that is 1.83. So I is equal to 1 plus alpha is equal to 1.83. 1 सामने ले जाइए, माइनस हो जाएगा. Alpha is equal to 0.83. Means C Calcutta is your right answer. Statement number 8. Straight away राउल्स लॉ के ऊपर से है. स्टेटमेंट आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. 4 ऑप्शन अच्छे से पढ़िए and your right answer is C Calcutta. 9th theoretical है, interesting one. 2 1 liter flask A and B connected to each other by the valve which is closed. Flask A has benzene in equilibrium with vapor pressure of 30 degrees Celsius and flask B is evacuated at this valve is open. Which of the following is true if the temperature remains constant? Fine. तो अच्छे से पूरे के पूरे स्टेटमेंट 2 बार पढ़िए, 4 ऑप्शन पढ़िए. 4 ऑप्शन पढ़ने के बाद योर फाइनल आंसर इज सी कलकत्ता. द वेपर प्रेशर रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट नंबर 10, लोअरिंग द वेपर प्रेशर. स्टेटमेंट ऑन योर स्क्रीन. 4 ऑप्शन अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. 10th PS is equal to XA in bracket P0A minus P0B plus P0B. Simplify कीजिए and finally your answer. This is the condition for ideal gas, that is B Bombay is your right answer. 11th statement on your screen. Option 3 4 1 2. Let's discuss. So delta TF is equal to 0 minus 0.00732. So delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. So you get your I is equal to 2. So answer D Delhi is your right answer. 12th on your screen. A solution of urea boils at 100.18 degrees Celsius at the atmospheric pressure if Kf and Kb for the water are 1.86 and 0.512 respectively. The above solution freezes at. सबसे पहले 12th का रिलेशनशिप समझ लीजिए. You have delta TF is equal to Kf into M. You have delta TB is equal to Kb into M. So M is equal to delta TF by Kf is equal to delta TB by Kb. Or you can make a form of delta TF is equal to delta TB Kf into Kb. Put all this value in this equation. तो वैल्यूज रखिए. डेल्टा टीबी इज इक्वल टू 100.18 minus 100. Simplify this. Your answer is 0.654 degrees Celsius. So that you have to minus from 0 just because freezing point of water is 0. Minus TF means 0.654. So TF is equal to minus 0.654. So your option is minus 0.654, that is B Bombay. आपको मिसलीड करने के लिए ऑप्शन ए भी दिया हुआ है, दैट इज प्लस 0.654. सो अच्छे से याद रखिएगा, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट में से माइनस होगा, दैट्स वाई योर वैल्यू इज माइनस 0.654 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 13, theoretical one, statement on your screen. Answer is B Bombay. 14 on your screen. Answer is D Delhi. 15th, once again theoretical one. Question on your screen. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव डेविएशन के बारे में है. चारों के चारों ऑप्शन अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. बी बॉम्बे इज योर राइट आंसर. 16th ऑन योर स्क्रीन. स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. सी कलकत्ता इज योर राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, once again a theoretical one. सारे के सारे ऑप्शंस अच्छे से चेक कर लीजिए. ए अहमदाबाद इज योर राइट आंसर. 18th, once again a theoretical one. ये ग्राफ हमने बहुत बार प्रैक्टिस किया हुआ है. राउल्स लॉ वाला ग्राफ है. सो 18, डी दिल्ली इज योर राइट आंसर. 19th, मोलारिटी मोलारिटी एक्सप्रेशन टर्म्स. स्टैंडर्ड 11 का क्वेश्चन 12th में रिपीट हो रहा है. 19 is B Bombay is your right answer. Let's move on to this 20th one. How many grams of concentrated nitric acid solution should be prepared? 250 ml 2.0 molar HNO3. The concentrated acid is 70% HNO3. So let's start with the 20th one. Molarity. Number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. तो सबसे पहले कैपिटल M that is molarity find out कर लीजिए. मोलारिटी दी हुई है, that is 2. गिवन मास फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए, that is 63/2. वेट ऑफ 70% मीन्स अगर 100% में से 70 ही प्योर एसिड है तो 100 डिवाइड बाय 70 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 31.5 मीन्स 45 ग्राम. सो योर आंसर इज डी दिल्ली. 21, once again really very easy. जिसका वांट ऑफ फैक्टर ज्यादा होगा वही आंसर होगा. So C कलकत्ता NH4 3 and PO4 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 21 C कलकत्ता. 22 once again really very easy. That is D Delhi. X undergoes dissociation in water. (23) on screen. चार ऑप्शन अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. Now depression and freezing point is directly depending on the number of particles. तो हाईएस्ट पार्टिकल किसके होंगे? अब देखिए ग्लूकोज एंड सुक्रोज तो हो ही नहीं सकते जस्ट बिकॉज उसका वांट ऑफ फैक्टर 1 हो जाएगा. KCl हैविंग 2 बट हाईएस्ट नंबर मिलेंगे 2 एल्यूमिनियम प्लस 3 सल्फेट. 2 + 3 = 5. ए अहमदाबाद इज योर right answer. 24th क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. सोडियम सल्फेट that is Na2SO4 when it is dissociate to Na++ 1 SO4. That's why I is equal to 3. So Na2SO4 I is equal to 3. So delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. Put all this value from the statement, multiply कीजिए and your answer is B Bombay, that is 0.0558 Kelvin. Question number 25. Once again want of factor, that is K4 FeCN6 is equivalent to A Ahmedabad, that is Al2SO43, because 4K and 1 FeCN6 minus 4 total 5. You get the same value. 2Al and 3SO4, once again a 5. 26. A mole fraction of this solute in 1.0 molar aqueous solution is. So 1 molar solution means 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent. So solute is 1, solvent is 1000. So solvent is water, that is 1000 divided by 18 is equal to 55.56. So mole fraction of solute is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 55.56. Your answer is 0.0177. That is B Bombay is your right answer. Question number 27 on your screen. Statement अच्छे से पढ़िए. Followed by you have 4 options. Concentration of Na2CO3 is equal to 25.3 divided by 106, that is molar mass of Na2CO3. 25.3 is given mass. 250 divided by 1000. Denominator becomes numerator. So your concentration is 0.955 m. So Na2CO3 means 2 is to 1 complex. 2 sodium is to 1 carbonate. That is 2 multiplied by 0.955 is 1.91 molar. And CO3 is 0.955 molar. Answer is B Bombay. 28. Azeotropic mixture of HCl. गुड सेट में भी पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. योर आंसर इज डी दिल्ली, दैट इज 20.2% HCl. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू दिस 29. वंस अगेन न्यूमेरिकल गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए, फॉलोड बाय 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट द कैलकुलेशन. सो डेल्टा TF इज इक्वल टू I KF इंटू M and delta TB is equal to I KB into M. Simplify it. Delta TF upon delta TB is equal to KF divided by KB. Make a form of delta TB. All the values are given, put it into this formula and your answer is 0.052, means D Delhi. 30th, once again a theoretical one. So your answer 30th is A Ahmedabad. So this is all about your chapter number 2 DPP solution. नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 11 चैप्टर नंबर 1 DPP solution. This is all about from my side. Thank you so much.